Job opportunities in the stock market are visible to everyone, but some companies, despite having strong businesses, healthy financials, and long-term growth potential, often remain unnoticed by the broader market. That is the philosophy behind Streetfolio Sudhama, the hidden gems portfolio. This portfolio is designed to identify fundamentally strong businesses that may still under-recognized today, yet possess the characteristics required to create long-term shareholder value. Why Sudhama? In Indian tradition, Sudama is not remembered for wealth or recognition, but for his simplicity, his sincerity, and his intrinsic work. Though he lived a humble life, his true value was never defined by his external appearances. His story reminds us that genuine worth often remains beneath the surface, unnoticed by many, but significant to those who can recognize it. Inspired by this philosophy, Streetfolio Sudhama seeks to identify businesses whose true strengths may not yet be fully appreciated by the broader market. Our investment philosophy: many of today's successful market leaders were once relatively unknown companies. At an earlier stage of their journey, they were not the most discussed businesses, nor were they always the center of investor attention. Yet their strong fundamentals, disciplined executions, and long-term growth potential eventually helped them emerge industry leaders. The objective of Streetfolio Sudhama is to identify businesses that exhibit similar qualities while they remain relatively under-recognized. What we look for, rather than focus on popularity or market excitement, we evaluate strong and sustainable business models, healthy financial performance, consistent earning and cash flow generation, scalable growth opportunities, quality management and governance, reasonable valuations relative to long-term potential, because in investing, visibility and value are not always the same. Sometimes a market notices a company only after much of its journey has already unfolded. The importance of patience. Opportunities of this nature are not always recognized immediately. The market may take time to appreciate the true value of a business. That is why investing in hidden gems requires patience, discipline, conviction, and a long-term perspective. The objective is not to predict short-term market movements. It is to identify fundamentally strong businesses and allow time for their potential to unfold. The Sudhama mindset. The greatest opportunities are not always the most celebrated. Sometimes they are quietly building strength, while the market's attention remains elsewhere. Streetfolio Sudhama is built on the belief that disciplined research and long-term thinking can help uncover such opportunities before they become widely recognized. Because true value does not always announce itself. Sometimes it remains hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered, hidden today, recognized tomorrow, and built on strong fundamentals. That is the philosophy behind Streetfolio Sudhama.